My name is Jeremy Allen. I'm one of the sales technicians here at Wholesale Solar. Been designing and helping the tech support team for about 7 years now. When you get a customer that thinks that they have an idea that's far-fetched and they want to run something in the middle of nowhere, and to be able to help them and bring that dream to a reality, it's pretty fun. One of the more interesting systems I think that I've worked on was an ice cream truck in Cape Cod. A guy came to us with the idea of solar-powered ice cream truck, and they make their own ice cream and everything. It's in Cape Cod, of all places, where you don't get a ton of sunlight like you do in the southern states. And this guy, still 5 years later, is fully powering his ice cream truck with 4 solar panels on the top of it. All the refrigerators are powered by solar and little battery system. And again, something somewhat far-fetched can come to life. I picture the standard salesperson as someone that's just trying to sell something so that they make money at the end of the day. And I think in our line of sales, and knowing that we own the company and we're responsible for everything that we sell, we're gonna do our best to be honest and to help create a solution to the actual goal. And so we try to do everything upfront and honest as we can so that they know exactly what to expect for the long term. Outside of Wholesale Solar, I'm a father of 4 and have an amazing family. I race radio control trucks. And actually all of our radio control vehicles are solar powered as well. We have a radio control solar powered charging station that we pull behind us to different events and everything. And you know, solar's part of my life pretty much in every avenue. If I was stranded on an island and had the choice to bring one person from Wholesale Solar, it'd be Josh Rice, probably because he could build a solar panel out of the sand on the island.